Hey there, are you looking to make money with artificial intelligence? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the 3 must-have AI tools you should start using in 2025 to create passive income streams. Let's dive in. First up is our star player, ChatGPT. This is the ultimate AI assistant that can help you write, program, and summarize information like a pro. Whether you need to create engaging content, write scripts, or even draft a business plan, ChatGPT has got your back. Imagine having a tool that works for you 24/7, generating ideas and content that can boost your income. Next on our list is Jasper AI. If you're in marketing, freelancing, or content creation, you'll love this tool. Jasper can whip up advertising copy, blogs, and professional emails in mere seconds. This means more time for you to focus on strategizing and growing your business. It's like having a personal copywriter who never gets tired. And let's not forget about Notion AI. Transform your workspace into a productivity powerhouse. Notion AI helps you plan, write, and organize everything from your daily tasks to your CV and even your courses. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and maximize efficiency. Now, let's talk about the benefits of these AI tools. By integrating them into your daily routine, you can significantly increase your efficiency and save loads of time. Imagine completing tasks in a fraction of the time it usually takes. There are countless success stories of individuals and businesses that have leveraged these tools to generate real income. From freelance writers to marketers, people are using AI to enhance their output and boost their revenue. Why not join them? Of course, you might have some hesitations about using AI tools. Maybe you're worried about costs or complexity. The great news is that many of these tools offer free trials and are incredibly user-friendly. You'll find that getting started is easier than you think. So how can you dive in? Begin by exploring these tools and familiarizing yourself with their features. There are tons of resources and tutorials available online to guide you through the process. You'll be up and running in no time. Looking ahead, the future of AI tools is bright, especially when it comes to generating passive income. Staying informed about the latest developments in AI technology will give you an edge in this rapidly evolving landscape. To wrap things up, remember the 3 essential AI tools we discussed: ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Notion AI. They're all free to try, easy to use, and can genuinely help you generate income. Now it's your turn. Test these tools out and share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on AI and passive income strategies. Thanks for watching, and let's make the future bright together.